Next paragraph. Very important. Science of Getting Rich, we went through this many times as well. It is easier to ascribe your feeling to events in the world than to admit that the conditions of the world reflect your feeling. I'm going to say that line again. It is easier to ascribe your feeling to events and circumstances and situations in your world than to admit that the conditions of the world reflect your feeling. Now let's put it in very simple terms. Okay? It is much easier to feel according to your scenario. If something, what we call bad, happens, it is easy to feel bad. If your income isn't where you want it to be yet, it is easy to be frustrated. If somebody does something to you, it's easy to feel angry. If you didn't do something you wanted to do, it's easy to feel guilty. It's easy to feel according to your scenario. It is not easy at first to feel according to the way you want to feel, regardless of circumstances. It gets way easier, though. It becomes a mental habit. Then people see you and they say, why are you so calm all the time? Because you're in control of who you are. However, it is eternally true that the outside mirrors the inside. As within, so without. A man can receive nothing unless it is given him from heaven, and the kingdom of heaven is within you. Nothing comes from without. All things come from within, from the subconscious. It is impossible for you to see other than the contents of your consciousness. Very important line. Your world in its every detail is your consciousness objectified. Objective states bear witness of subconscious impressions. A change of impression results in a change of expression. It all goes down to whatever's going on within, you're experiencing without. If something is not working for you, it's because something's going on inside. Every time. Bob said this very deeply at the seminar, so many of you would have heard it. Okay, he said, first person, when things are going very well, the person will say, oh yeah, that was all me. They'll express a little bit of gratitude, but they'll say, yeah, I got this. I was the one that did it. Thank God, go into a little gratitude. As soon as things aren't happening well, they seek blame every time. Not all people, a lot of people. The income's up and down, they'll express blame that things aren't working for them, or the guidance wasn't there, or this, that, the other thing. They'll feel like if they lost something, probably hear this all the time, if somebody loses their bag, they lose something in the house, most times they're going around asking everybody else, did you touch my bag? Did you move my stuff? Okay. It's always first when things are going wrong, human beings, not all human beings, but one's conditioned to blame. It's programmed to blame first. They will blame everything besides what's going on within. Now, that's not most of you on this call, but we can see on the outside circumstances, the people around us, that most people will just blame everything in the world besides what's going on within. Okay. Whatever's going on outside of yourself is a reflection of what's going on within. Now, many of you believe that, and it's just a gentle reminder to a lot of you. Okay. So let's take a little second. Any questions? Nate, you said, does Neville talk about that deeper in this book, Male and Female Factors? He does in a way, but not really anything needed more than what we discussed today, understanding-wise. Okay. Jim and Lorraine said, I'm practicing feeling right now. It's like meditating. It takes effort and then ease. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's challenging for the first couple of months. Then it becomes very easy. It's like doing anything. You do some bicep curls the first time, your biceps are going to break off. You can't feel them for a couple weeks. a week. Okay. But it gets easier and easier and easier because it grows and grows and grows. It knows how to deal with the stress, the physical body and the mind. Same thing goes with this.